Hello Miri learners, welcome to this new video. I'm Miriam and today we are going to see the uses and inversion of conditional sentences. Let's start. So when to use conditional sentences? I'm going to explain you. For example, for universal truths, I give you an example. If you eat a lot, you get fat. So here, what have we done? First if, then present simple, and then the next sentence in present simple. So this is zero conditional. For what else we are going to use conditional sentences? For real or possible situations when we are not sure 100%. I give you an example. If I study more hours, I will pass the exam. What do we have here? If plus present simple, and then the next subject is with will and infinitive. So this will be first conditional. For what else? For situations located in the future that are unlikely to happen. I give you an example. If I won the lottery, I will buy 10 houses. So this situation is unlikely to happen. So here what do we use? If plus past simple, and then the next sentence, would plus infinitive. So this is the second conditional. For what else? For situations located in the present that cannot happen because they are impossible. I give you an example. If I were a baby, I would sleep all day. This is an impossible situation. So here, what do we use? If plus past simple, and then the next subject with would plus infinitive. So here we use second conditional. For what else? For speaking about the past, describing a situation that it didn't happen and its possible consequences. I give you an example. If I had had 10 dogs, I would have been very happy. So this situation didn't happen, and here I'm explaining its possible consequences. What have we used here? If plus past perfect, and then the next subject with would plus have plus the past participle of the verb. So here we have used the third conditional. For what else? For fictitious situations. I give you an example. If I were a millionaire, I would buy a hotel. So here what are we using? Past simple plus would. This is the second conditional. Please be careful here. For first and third singular person, we say were, not was. So here we are going to use I were, he were, she were, and it were for these fictitious situations. For what else? For giving personal opinion. I give you an example. If I were you, I would continue studying. So here I'm using the second conditional and we use past simple plus would. Again, for first and third singular person, we say were, not was. Now I'm going to explain you what is the inversion in conditional sentences. So, for what do we use this inversion? For making the sentence more formal, I give you two possibilities. First one, in real conditionals, inversion is found with the modal verb should. I give you an example. If I want to say, if your students need more instructions, please let us know. So here, instead of if, I can use should. And the sentence will be, should your students need more instructions? Please let me know. And this sentence will sound more formal than the one that we have used if. And the second possibility will be in fictional sentences or conditionals. So I give you an example. If I had won the prize, I would have donated it to charity. The more formal sentence would be, had I won the prize, I would have donated it to charity. So what have we done here? We have started by had and we have omitted if. Look here, there's no if. Instead of if, we have started this sentence by had and we don't say if here. And here you can see the inversion. First is had and then the subject I. Here I leave you some exercises. Here you have to complete with the correct conditional form of these verbs. The exercise continues here from 6 to 11 and here from 12 to 16. I will give you the answers in the next video. Please click on the like, por favor dale a me gusta, suscríbete, subscribe, para saber cuándo subo mis próximos vídeos, for you to know when I upload my next videos, and see you in the next video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Thank you, bye bye.